You use salt for washing. You can use salt to make some area too. Follow the steps below to make a salt bubble picture. Mix some dish salt and water in a cup. Place the cup on a sheet of colored paper. Put a drop into the cup. Blow to make a lot of bubbles. Blow you until bubbles spill onto the paper. The bubbles will pop and make bubble shapes. Move the cup to other pair of the paper. Make more bubble shapes until you like the picture.